Gawa na tayo.
Okay, we will make a graham.
Item for class.
Parang maasim to.
Kamay pa.
Parang maasim na eh. Uy, Prince, ano na, nawala na yung video, ay, picture, ay, yes, like that, and then Teo will put the grahams, put it inside this one, you have to halera, like this, oh, yan, like that, and then we will put another milk, and another milk, and another milk.
Graham.
We will spread the milk. Kasi later, it will, yan. Nasusoak na siya. And then, we will put the, what's this? Mango. We will put the mango here, like this. And next, si Ate Pao na, ha? Let's put the mango like this. Yan. Put more mango. Like that. And then, another, what else? Graham. Another graham. Put the graham, love. Oh, you put one? No, not. Sige. Like this. And then, yan. And then the other one. Oh, Ate Pao naman. Put the milk. Ate Pao, put the milk. Put the milk, Ate Pao. Oh no.
Ate Pao face.
Ate Pao will put the milk. Spread mo, Ate Pao. Kalat mo, yan.
Wait lang, tayo. More spread.
Yeah, spread it, Ate Pao. Put more. You have a lot of milk. Is it yummy, Yoyong? And then, Yoyong will put the mango. Put the mango. Spread it, kalat. Yes. O, kalat mo, Ate Pao. More pa, anak. More pa. Put it in the, side. Put more. Sige, Ate Pao, lagyan mo. Sige pa, Ate Pao. Ang dami. Kalat mo na lang, Pao lang. This pa. Yan. O, put more. Paul naman, si Paul naman. Put more graham, Paul.
Ano maglalagay?
Si Paul naman. No, ayan, ganyan naman. Yan, and the other one. No, later na. Later this one, Teo. You have to put the graham first. It's a step-by-step process, Teo. We need to follow. Okay, put the... Si Paul malalagay ng milk. And we need to put here in the, gilid. Yan, usog natin. Mamaya, lagyan nyo yung gilid. Put more. Wag patwitams. Damihan mo. Oh, later na, Teo. Wait for Kuya Paul to spread the, milk. Put more. Damihan mo pa, Kuya Paul.